Welcome to our channel. We're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Come on in and grab a chair and sit a spell with us. If you like readable versions of all of our content, be sure to check out both of our blogs. The links to our blogs will always be in the description box below our videos. Do you just have those days when you just get so overwhelmed and you just feel like you just can't anymore? Let's see if we can't fix some of those problems. The first thing I like to do every morning is just have some peace and quiet before anybody else wakes up and just have some coffee. And then I will sit and I read my devotions. Dear hubby will sit and read the morning news. This helps me to get a better start to my day. And this may be an idea for you. Have a reset day and try something different in your morning routine to get you in the mood, get you motivated so you can overcome. This particular day, I was helping get the grandkids to school. That's another reason why we got up so early. My son dropped them off. I helped them get ready and gave them some breakfast. Then I just threw on some comfy clothes, zoomed to school, dropped them off, come back, and I was staring at a load of laundry that, yes, I had on purpose, took out of the dryer the night before, and was just so exhausted and said, you know what? I'll get this first thing in the morning. I can have bad days too and get so tired I just feel like I can't go on any longer. Those couple of loads of laundry just had to wait till the next morning. But I promised myself, as soon as I get back, I'm hitting that laundry before I do anything else. Number one, it was an eyesore. Number two, I was kind of disappointed in myself that I didn't get it done. See, don't get caught in the trap of beating yourself up if you can't get something done. My laundry system is not spectacular. We have one basket for colors, one basket for towels and whites, and I have a little basket for delicates and like baby clothes when there is a baby. And when one basket gets completely full, whoever notices it full first will put it in the washing machine and then put it over in the dryer. Me and my husband work together and we just go behind each other and we get the laundry done. Teach your kids to help do the laundry. This would help you moms out. There's days when, due to my age, I can't clean my whole house in one day like I used to could when I was a young, skinny chick, okay? Like in my 20s. I'm older now, okay? Age plays a role in some things you're going to get done and some things that just may have to wait a little bit. I fixed it, and seasons, hold that thought. Seasons are going to change in your life. In your 20s, before kids come along, your homemaking is going to look different than after kids come along. When your kids start taking on responsibilities, then when they start leaving the nest, then when it's just you and your spouse, your schedules and your routines are going to change as the seasons pass. Mine has, but now we have grandkids. And I help with them. I'm no stranger to raising kids. This ain't my first rodeo. I know what to do. So right now I'm getting sticky food and little sticky fingerprints off my kitchen table and chairs. Y'all, it happens. Back to my point I was fixing to make, I have fixed my schedule now to where, due to age and seasons have changed in my life, that I have to break down my homemaking and do it one job or one room a day. I tried doing the one job a day, but every time I went to another room, like I would pick one day to do dusting, I would get off track and I would find something that needed to be tidied up in that room. And before I knew it, I was just zigzagging all through the house. I quit doing that. Now I do one room a day. And I will start in that room and I'll go from the top to the bottom. The top, I will dust mop the crown moldings and the trim, which we're still putting trim up and finishing our kitchen. Y'all, life happens, work calls, and you just got to pack and go. But we're going to do this. We're going to get this done. Maybe one day. And then I will go to the middle. Everything gets dusted and wiped down. My kitchen is the number one thing that needs to be cleaned the most and gets dirty the most. I'm cooking 2 to 3 meals. I'm canning. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. Okay? Yeah, y'all see, girl down, just got to stay in the floor and just scoot. That's what I can do right now. And then the floors will get vacuumed and mopped. Then there's times when I want to do that really deep cleaning and do the steam mop behind it just for extra sanitation. Twice a year, y'all, like in the allergy seasons and then in the cold and flu seasons. Get those germs out of there. Everything will get touched. Everything will get wiped down in that room, no matter what it is and no matter where I'm at. And this has helped me so much in my homemaking. Just one room at a time. Do what I can. Yeah, that dishwasher, it needs a good cleaning. We'll get to that in a minute. Don't forget your appliances, y'all. Yeah, oh, and speaking of appliances, this day I was in my kitchen, so guess what? I'm hitting all my appliances. I cleaned out the coffee maker. I cleaned out the air fryer. I was wiped out my oven a little bit, and I try to stay on top of my oven. If something spills over, I try to clean it out when I'm cleaning the kitchen, so that way maybe I don't have to have a big oven cleaning day. But, sometimes holiday baking, I'm going to get behind and just need to keep moving, and I'll have to do that one day. But everything gets wiped down, everything gets touched. I'll wipe down the refrigerator. The top of the stove is going to get clean. And everything will get wiped down like you're dusting, and it'll go right back in its place. I do not do dust. Oh, I forgot to mention, before I do the floors, I get the baseboards too. My pet peeves is my blinds, crown molding, baseboards, and ceiling fans and light fixtures. I cannot stand dust to accumulate. And here we are, we finally cleaned out that nasty dishwasher. Clean your filters out. Y'all, have a reset. Pick a day to reevaluate your schedule and maybe come up with a different method for this season in your life. I hope this has helped you somehow in your homemaking, and I will see y'all in the next video.